Hi loves, it's Mary and welcome back to the Curly Closet. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Excuse me if anything in this video is a bit like disjointed, rusty, if the lighting's off, whatever, because yeah, it's been a while. Today's video is going to be a hair update. I honestly don't quite know where to begin. Let's just start off with the facts, okay? So if you've seen my last couple of videos, you should know, yes, I'm pregnant. I am currently, what am I now, 26 weeks? 26 plus 3 days. I'm doing fine, baby's doing fine. I'm going to be doing pregnancy updates, so if you want to see the bump, you're going to have to see. So I'm probably going to link something up here. Obviously, being pregnant has been an experience. It has slightly thrown off, not even slightly, a lot thrown off my filming schedule, and due to the pregnancy, I've had to make quite a few changes in my life, including moving house. My boyfriend and I now share a new space, so of course if you're seeing a new background, that's the reason why. I'm in my new flat now, and of course we're getting a bit ready for baby's arrivals. I had to do there's just a lot of stuff that happened. That's part of the reason why I haven't been filming a lot, and also why I haven't done a hair update in a while. So during my pregnancy, I have had 2 different hairstyles that I've been rocking consistently due to just lack of energy and a lack of mental energy. I don't really know how to describe it, but pregnancy does take energy from you physically, but I feel like also mentally certain things, it's like I have to really gear my brain up to do certain things, and my hair routine is one of them. Early in my pregnancy, I think I had like some twist outs going on that kind of became like a large afro type thing where I'm just pushing it up at the top of my head. And now we're just kind of in twist stage, so I'm going to take this down so you can kind of see how my hair is. To be fair, the lighting, the ring light and everything makes my twists look better than what they really look like in real life. I don't know when the last time was that I washed my hair, but it's due for a wash, and today's going to be a wash day routine, pregnancy edition. Can see like the roots, everything needs love. I can't fully say I've been neglecting my hair, not necessarily. Sometimes I do put moisturizer in the ends of this and just kind of try to give the hair a bit of life, but I haven't been paying as much attention to my hair routine as I could do, but that's about to change. So apart from the 2 hairstyles that I've done over the last couple of months, I haven't really been doing a lot with my hair. Life has been busy and I just haven't been able to really get into a routine, but obviously now that I'm in my new place, the routine has to come back on track. The only other hairstyle that I've done on my hair since then has been for one of my best friend's weddings. One of my best friends got married and I was a bridesmaid. All of the bridesmaids, we had a ponytail style with some extensions, and then I had to go to hairdresser and get my hair blown out for that because I just didn't have the energy nor the focus. My hair has grown, I think, to about bra strap length. Just in case you didn't know and you saw this before, this is my undercut. This is how much it's grown out. Yeah, it's still basically there, but yeah, it's grown out a lot. I'm not planning to do an undercut for now, again. I may do in the future though, we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to be trying some new hair products today. I know it's upside down, but I have a treasure box here. The new Cantu Grapeseed Shampoo. We've got the new Cantu Grapeseed Conditioner, the Grapeseed Curling Cream, the Grapeseed Treatment Mask. So basically deep conditioner, the Cantu Grapeseed Strengthening Gel. This is a flexible hold gel. I don't know how well this is going to go in my hair because, to be honest, firm hold works better for me, but we'll see. What I'm going to say for this though is that this is going to be like a first impressions review. It's not going to be a proper review because before using these, I feel like I need to clarify my scalp. I'm going to have to use something to get to the scalp and to really clean it because it's been a while. So I've got 2 apple cider vinegar products right here. The first one is the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil Apple Cider Vinegar Clarifying Rinse. The next one is this Nature Love apple cider vinegar hair rinse. I think I've done videos on both of these, so I'm going to be leaving a link up here for you to check out. I'm going to be using these, and then I'm going to go in with the Grapeseed shampoo. My scalp needs help. When was the last time I really washed my hair though, for real? It's been a month since I've washed my hair, but then also, let's be honest, even before then, the last wash before that felt like a while before. So yeah, if you want to see me get my hair together, pregnancy edition, wash and go, and you want a first impression of the Cantu Grapeseed products, then stay tuned. Oh, also, one thing I got to do is use these and trim my hair. I'm actually going to trim my hair before I start. I know this is going to look a bit backwards, but I'm going to do a wash and go. I have not trimmed my hair in a while. If I don't do it now, I'll probably forget. But the ends of my hair are just a bit raggedy. Later on, when I'm trying to do my wash and go, I don't want to have to put my hair into twists and then trimming them. So don't mind me. In this segment, I am going to be snacking and drinking tea because I'm a bit peckish. I need to feed myself and feed baby. So don't mind me, okay? So if you didn't know, this is not obviously a professional trim, but what I do is twist my hair to the ends and then just literally snip, like, I snip like this much off my hair. It's not a lot. Oh, let me not let that fall down on the floor. And that's really easy for me to do on my hair, is in twists, because it just makes my hair more manageable. Trying to do a successful twist out, wash and go with single strand knots it's just not fun. Okay, so all done, ends trimmed. This is how much hair I lost. Just a little curly ends, basically. It's time to get in the shower and start this hair cleansing process. I will be coming back and kind of giving you my first impressions of each of the products, so I will let you know, and we're gonna take it from here. Side note, this is one of the things about trimming your hair, even if it's just trimming like a little bit off the ends, like, your hair looks more revived just by taking off some dead ends. You'd be surprised what a little trim can do, you know. Like, don't slack on the trimming. It does something. Even now I'm like, there's a little bit more zhuzh in my hair now. Like, can you see it? Let me give you a little bit of a close-up of the hair. The hair is clean and conditioned. I just used the rinse out conditioner because I'm on a time crunch today, but this is what we've got. I'm gonna be honest, I'm loving it. My hair really needed this. So I washed my hair with the 2 different apple cider vinegar rinses, just to clarify, no pun intended. Both of them had just about enough left for one wash, and I'm trying to like use up my products, so I figured why not just use one for one rinse, one for another rinse. After that was done, my scalp felt okay. The roots of my hair felt a little slightly waxy, and then I decided to go in with this. First impressions, consistency, quite thick. Like, this is the kind of consistency that we've got. It's quite thick. I try to separate out my hair and actually work it into the roots. If you just like try to just chuck it on top of your hair, it's gonna stay on top. It's not really gonna get into your roots, and I like to concentrate my shampoo on the roots of my hair. It went down a treat though. It has a lovely, very faint grape smell, obviously grapeseed. It felt like it cleansed my hair well. I actually washed twice with this, so in total I basically washed my hair like 4 times. So yeah, if my hair's not clean after this, it's going to be a problem, right? If you're familiar with Cantu shampoos, even the sulfate free ones tend to be a bit stripping. And some people complain about it, but I actually see the logic behind it, because Cantu products, especially the fact that they tend to contain quite a lot of shea butter, can be quite heavy. So you need a really good shampoo to get all of that shea butter out of your hair. I would say this is about the same as the other Cantu shampoos. It is quite, I think stripping is the right word, but in the best sense of stripping. It is quite stripping to the hair, but that means that your hair is going to get a really good clean. It rinsed out of my hair well, no problems rinsing it out, even though it's quite thick. The Cantu Grapeseed Strengthening Conditioner, for me, when this went onto my hair, it didn't feel like anything that special. I was just like, okay, cool. It feels like your regular Cantu conditioner. It's very similar or almost the same consistency as the Cantu for Natural Hair Shea Butter Conditioner. So this is the consistency of the conditioner. Nice slip, quite creamy, really nice. The same slight grape fragrance as well, but again, not overpowering, very faint enough to be like noticeable but nice. It feels nice, it goes on easily, it spreads through the hair nicely. It doesn't have any silicones, but it has lovely slip, so that's great. However, washing it out, that's when you know the magic has happened. It's actually very, very lovely. You know, there are some conditioners that when you rinse them out of your hair, you're like, did this really do anything? But this put back all of the moisture in my hair that my hair really needed after the shampoo. It works really well, and my hair feels very lovely, light and bouncy. And I didn't leave it on my hair for very long. Literally it stayed on my hair in the shower for about 5 minutes while I did all of the other shower stuff. And yeah, when I rinsed it out, my hair feels fantastic. Curls pop in. Would I recommend these two? Yes, as a combo. I'm loving it. I would be reaching for these again, definitely. For the next step, I've decided I am going to be trying out the Cantu Grapeseed Strengthening Gel on its own. Reason being, it says flexible hold. Usually flexible hold gels I find quite moisturizing on my hair, and also it says grapeseed oil and shea butter in it. So we're going to try it out. I don't have a leave-in simply because some of my products are still at my old place, at my mum's. So, you know, thank you mum for keeping my stuff. Okay, so same slight grape smell. Oh, that does look quite soft hold. I don't know though, is that gonna hold my hair the way I want it to? Hi loves, it's Mary and I am back. So just showing you the final results of the hair. Now this is a couple of days old, so I'm going to give you a bit of a close up. I think this side is actually a bit better than that side. But essentially I think it's a bit easier to see what's going on maybe on this side. I did my hair on Saturday. It's now Tuesday, so this is day 3 hair, I guess. I do have some definition at the ends, but I am going to say this is fluffy definition. So when this says flexible hold, it is correct. It is flexible, fairly, I'd say soft to medium hold. It's definitely not a hard hold gel, but it serves its purpose if you like your wash and goes to come out like a bit more fluffy. This is what you'll get. You can see obviously it looks more defined a couple of days ago, but now a couple of days later you still got some definition going on here. for sure. I think it came out better on this side than that side because I feel like I probably rushed this side a bit more than I did that side. So that's just a little disclaimer right there. My thoughts on the gel. Generally it was a pleasant experience using the gel. I will say it definitely does need a leave-in. I used it without a leave-in. Maybe it would have lasted longer if I did use it with a leave-in, but I didn't. The results I got in the end were very slight crunch. My hair does feel a bit dry, so yeah, leave-in is something that I need to use underneath. And generally it was pretty good to use. It goes on well, it smells good. Just for my hair texture, and especially if I really want a long-lasting wash and go, I'm gonna need a stronghold gel. Out of the 3 products that I use, so the shampoo, the conditioner and the gel, I'm gonna say I would run to this conditioner again. It has lovely slip and it does really get in there and make your hair feel lovely and soft, especially after the shampoo. But generally speaking, I do like the shampoo. It is quite thick, it does go a long way. So don't overuse it because it could, like, I could see potentially like kind of coating your scalp if you overdo it, and you have to really give it a good wash to get it out. So yeah, there's that. But it's very effective, it works. So yes, that was a very brief hair update and also a mini product review of the Cantu Grapeseed range. If you have tried any of the Cantu Grapeseed range, then let me know in the comments below. What do you think of the products? Do you like them? Would you try them? If you have tried the range, then what is your favorite product? Let me know in the comment section below. So guys, wishing you health, happiness and beautiful hair. I'll see you again soon on the Curly Closet. Take care. Bye. Okay, thank you.